Hello, hi, I'm Dr. Gurung. I'm a consultant psychiatrist. Today I'm making a video on a very interesting topic called confidence. The reason why I'm making this video is a lot of my resident doctors have been asking me, how do you look confident even in a difficult situation? So when this question was put forward to me, I had a chance to reflect, and I thought that why not make a video on it. So I'm going to bring this topic of confidence into three different section. Number one, I'm going to define my understanding about confidence. Second section, I'm going to discuss about what are the five different situation, circumstances, environment which can make people less confidence. The third section, I'm going to cover what are the different steps that we can take in order to make yourself and be yourself confident. So number one topic is what is confident. Confident in a very simple term is belief in yourself and your ability. It's also a conviction that you can take any challenges with sound decision and sound action. Now, interestingly, there's a difference between being arrogant and confidence. Confidence, it comes with humility, which is lacking in arrogance. With confidence, there's a realistic awareness of your strength and weakness, which is the thing with confidence. Uh, Now, just to summarize, what confident is belief in yourself and your ability, conviction that you can deal with any challenges that is thrown to you, and number three is realistic awareness of your strength and weakness. Now, let us move to the second topic, which is what are the five things that make people less confident. So I think this people can also relate. So on summary, the five things that can make people less confident is number one, fear of judgment. Number two, shyness. Number three is toxic comparison of your own ability with other people. And number four is people pleasing. Number five is overthinking. A lot of the people might also relate that either of these five you might have faced, which might have you feel less confident. Now, moving to the third section, what are the different steps that we can take in order to become more confident? So, I would recommend just thinking is not enough. You need to take an action. So, there's a concept that I use in cognitive behavior therapy. The way you think affects the way you feel and act. So, the action is very, very important. Now, in order to deal with the fear of judgment, you need to remove the fear of a spotlight phenomena. You have to think that you're not that important that all the people think about you. So shifting the focus also help you to deal with fear of judgment. Number two is fear of shyness. For a shyness, there's no any easy solution than to act. Rather than being fearful and going with the concept of everything needs to be perfect, uh, even an imperfect thing is better than one perfect thing. So by making more mistakes by trial and error, you are able to deal with shyness. Now coming to the third is toxic comparison. So in order to deal with the toxic comparison, evidence-based is important. Rather than focusing on your emotions, focus on what evidence have you got. And also please don't try to compare yourself. Compare with yourself your own version from the version that you were yesterday. So it helps you to be better every day, every moment. People pleasing. For people pleasing, you need to make sure that if you're just focused on making other people happy, you have to remember that you'll be the most unhappy person. So in order to deal with it, I use the concept of RDR. That is the reason why I'm denying, the reason for denial, and the respect. And we need to have a found boundaries in order to deal with it. Number five is overthinking. So in order to deal with overthinking, I've also noticed that overthinking also happens with people who are confident as well as people who are not confident. The only difference is people who are confident they tend to take action. And in order to take an action, it's also good to reflect what action you have taken. You have to be consistent in your approach and keep on doing in order to be confident. In summary, what I've defined is what confident means. Second is I've defined what are the five different areas that can make people less confident. Number fourth is described about what are the steps you can take in order to feel confident. Uh, the take-home message from this video is until and unless you don't take an action, nothing is going to change. Okay, so be confident. Thank you.